Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about tips and tricks that will get you into your dream university in Germany for sure. These are well tested, so please stick till the end. We all know education in Germany is free. So getting into a German college is obviously difficult because a large number of students will be applying for it. So what can you do to improve your chances into getting a college? And the situation just becomes worse if you have a low CGPA. So the tricks that I'm going to talk about will actually help you in boosting your profile. My first trick would be to apply as soon as possible because some of the universities follow first come first serve. In my example, I applied to TUHH and TU Dresden as soon as their portal opened. Not only did I get my results quick as compared to my other peers, but it was also an admit. My second trick would follow the first one. You have to make sure that you have all your documents in hand. Few documents take a lot of time to get processed. For example, transcript from your university. In my case, it took me 2 months to get them. Then GRE. If you are someone who is planning to give GRE, you will require at least 6 months of preparation time. You have to give an English certification exam, may it be TOEFL or IELTS. Both of these will require at least 2 months of time for preparation and giving the exam. Then the biggest time consuming component would be APS certificate. We know that they are very hectic and they are not processing as soon as we expected. It's taking around 6 months of time. So make sure that you apply for it as soon as possible. My trick number 3 would be to learn German. If you're someone with low CGPA, it is advisable to learn up to B2 German and apply to German taught courses because getting into English taught courses would be really difficult for you. Nevertheless, if you want to apply to English taught courses, try to learn up to A2 level because it will definitely boost your profile. As per my experience, most of these universities follow a point-based selection method. So, all these small things will actually accumulate points for you. So, my trick number 4 would be to publish as many papers as possible, do coursework and project works and mention those during your application period. This will gather points for you and boost your profile. A recommendation is always better if it comes from someone who's in a superior position. So try to get your LORs from professors and HODs of your department as it will be impactful. If you're a working professional, I would advise you to get it from your managers because it will show that you have a working background. Last but not the least, provide evidence of your passion for learning, make a solid case of your academic prowess and highlight your strength. Explain them why you would succeed in a university setting. You can also check my previous video on how to write an SOP. I have put the link here. I have explained in detail. That will be it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon. Thank you.